Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to make a hummingbird birdbath. Okay, so hummingbirds, you know, are so tiny that you don't want a deep bird bath. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a little grapevine wreath here. And this is a 10-inch. Got it from Michael's. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit. Get a few of these that's just kind of going wild here. I'm just going to snip them off. Just cleaning it up a little bit. Not important, but okay. And then, so now I have some floral wire. And what I want to do is, I want to take it around here and tie it, twist it, get it tied here. Go ahead and twist it on around. There we go. I'm going to bring it straight across. Bring it around. And I want to make a loop. And I'm not cutting this yet because I don't know really how big I want it. I'm going to go back to the center. Kind of do like a little loop there. And then I'm going to change and go. So I've come straight across here. Came back to the middle. Now we're going to go around here. Trying to get it pulled tight here. There we go. And go around. Just a couple of loops here. Okay, I'm going to go back to the center. Make a loop around this where it's crisscrossed here. And then we'll go on this side. You probably don't have to do it this much, but I think better safe than sorry. So then I'm going to pull it kind of snug. I think I'm going to wrap it like that. I'm going to go back over. And what I'm doing here is just making like a little screen up under here. On the side of it. Crisscrossing around the bottom of it. And this is just floral wire. It's let's see what the gauge was. 26 gauge. You can pick it up at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart. And there like that. Okay. I think we probably got enough. We're not putting anything extremely heavy on here. And this is going to be just so simple, quick, and easy. Okay, now I have a terracotta flower pot base is what it is. So what I did now, I've already painted this one just to be quicker. I used Folk Art, Ocean Cruise paint. Then I put a little bit of this warm buff around the edges because I had messed up on the blue. Now I put water in it for a while and then tested to make sure it wouldn't come off. And so far, so good. Nothing came off of it. So I do have some sealant that I will probably spray on it. Now this is a chain. It's a plant hanger chain that came from the Dollar Tree. Let's see here. It's gotten. So it's just 3 chains with a hook. So we're going to set that aside for a second, and then we're going to bring this this is what I had envisioned on doing. I don't want to just hook it onto the grapevine because of maybe it breaks. All right, so I wanted to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be on the 7th one. So they're all kind of even there. So let's put something there. Let's put this one over here. Let's go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And having these wires in here help keep the chain from sliding around also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now we'll take our little terracotta lid there. I'm going to fill it with some water and take it out and see if our hummingbirds come to it. But how cute is that? And let's see. I've gotten my chain here twisted. Let's see how I can undo it here. There we go. I think that might do it. So, maybe y'all like this, and we'll see how it turns out. So we're going to take our little hummingbird bath, little bird bath for hummingbirds, out and hang it up. I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial. We'll see how it works out. Please give me a thumbs up, share the video for me, and subscribe if you would like. We do all kinds of arts and crafts and DIYs and all kinds of stuff. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day, and I'll show you in just a minute or in just a second. Just hanging out there for my hummingbirds. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.